Are you ready to step into the future of creativity and innovation? Artist Palette Sparkles. In this video, we'll unveil the best 3D printers of 2025, from game-changing models for beginners to cutting-edge machines perfect for professionals. Whether you're searching for the best budget 3D printer 2025 or aiming to level up with the top 3D printers of the year, we've got you covered with expert reviews and must-know insights. Don't miss out on discovering your next gadget guide. All the product links are in the description, so you can dive right into making your purchase. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tech-packed content. If you're looking for a high-performance 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and versatility, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max 3D printer deserves your attention. With its incredible printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, this printer is a standout contender for the best 3D printers of 2025, delivering exceptional efficiency for professionals and hobbyists alike. The large 88L printing volume, 420 by 420 by 500 mm, makes it perfect for crafting detailed prototypes, intricate models, or large-scale projects without compromising quality. The inclusion of auto-leveling and smart Z-offset features ensures seamless setup and precise calibration, even for beginners venturing into 3D printing. Enhanced with vibration compensation technology, the Kobra 2 Max minimizes print errors, resulting in superior detail and smoother finishes. One of the most impressive aspects is its versatility. From professional design projects to creative home printing, this 3D printer caters to a wide range of needs. Its compatibility with various filaments adds to its adaptability, making it an excellent choice for diverse applications. Whether you're an enthusiast searching for the best 3D printer for beginners or a professional in need of a reliable workhorse, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max delivers unmatched value. It's no wonder this model ranks among the top 3D printers of 2025. For those seeking innovation, speed, and precision in their 3D printing journey, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is an investment worth considering. Explore its capabilities and elevate your projects to the next level. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max Resin 3D printer sets a new benchmark for precision and convenience in resin printing, making it a top choice for anyone searching for the best 3D printers of 2025. Featuring a 13.6-foot 7K mono LCD screen, this printer delivers incredibly detailed and high-resolution prints, perfect for intricate models and professional-grade projects. Its large build volume, 11.7-foot x 6.5 x 11.81, offers ample space for creating substantial designs, whether you're working on prototypes, detailed miniatures, or functional parts. The Smart Resin Filler is a game-changer, streamlining the resin management process to ensure continuous printing with minimal interruptions. This feature, coupled with the SLA LCD technology, guarantees exceptional print quality and reduces common resin printing errors. The Photon M3 Max stands out not only for its precision, but also for its user-friendly interface and advanced functionalities. Whether you're an experienced 3D printing enthusiast or a beginner venturing into SLA printing, this printer offers an intuitive experience without compromising on performance. Its sturdy build and compatibility with various resins make it versatile and reliable for a wide range of applications. For those aiming to push the boundaries of creativity and achieve unparalleled detail, the Anycubic Photon M3 Max is a worthy investment. As one of the top resin 3D printers of 2025, it seamlessly blends innovation and practicality, earning its place on any tech enthusiast's radar. Discover the future of 3D printing with this cutting-edge machine. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer redefines efficiency and precision, earning its place as one of the best 3D printers of 2025. Upgraded to achieve blazing fast speeds of 500 mm per second with Power Boost technology, this printer significantly reduces production times while maintaining exceptional detail and accuracy. The fast mode ensures smooth and flawless prints, ideal for both professionals and hobbyists who demand efficiency without compromising quality. The integrated die-cast aluminum alloy frame enhances stability during high-speed printing, delivering consistent and reliable results even on complex projects. What truly sets the AnkerMake M5 apart is its AI-powered error detection with a built-in camera. This innovative feature monitors the printing process in real time, ensuring immediate corrections and saving time and materials. The auto-leveling system further simplifies setup, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experts alike. With its intuitive control interface, this printer offers seamless usability, allowing users to focus on creativity rather than technical adjustments. Its versatility in handling different materials and projects makes it one of the top 3D printers of 2025. If you're looking for a 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and smart features, the AnkerMake M5 is an outstanding option. Perfect for crafting intricate models, functional parts, or large-scale designs, it's a cutting-edge tool designed to elevate your 3D printing experience. Don't miss out on this powerhouse in 3D printing innovation. The QIDI Plus 4 3D printer stands out as a cutting-edge solution for those who demand both speed and precision in their 3D printing projects. With a remarkable top speed of 600 mm per second, it's one of the fastest models available, earning its place among the best 3D printers of 2025. A major highlight is the 370 degrees Celsius direct extruder with an integrated nozzle, enabling compatibility with advanced materials like PPSCF filaments. Whether you're working on prototypes, engineering parts, or creative designs, this printer delivers superior detail and durability. Its large build volume of 12 inches by 12 inches by 11 inches ensures ample space for a wide range of projects, from intricate miniatures to substantial components. The fully auto-leveling system eliminates setup hassles, offering a seamless printing experience for beginners and seasoned users alike. The 65 degrees Celsius chamber heat ensures consistent temperature control, reducing warping and improving the quality of high-performance material prints. This is a game-changer for professionals who require reliability in every project. The QIDI Plus 4 is also designed for versatility, supporting both everyday and specialized filaments, making it one of the top 3D printers of 2025 for both home users and industrial applications. Its robust construction and advanced features ensure long-term reliability and consistent performance. If you're looking for a high-speed, precision-focused 3D printer with support for advanced materials, the QIDI Plus 4 is an exceptional choice. It's a standout model that combines innovation and performance, making it a must-have for anyone exploring the future of. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a versatile and user-friendly option that continues to set the standard for high-quality 3D printing. Whether you're printing at home, in a classroom, or a professional setting, this model's ease of use and reliability make it a strong contender among the best 3D printers of 2025. Equipped with a swappable Smart Extruder Plus, the MakerBot Replicator Plus ensures efficient and seamless PLA material printing, delivering exceptional detail and precision. Its factory-leveled flex build plate makes removing finished prints effortless while maintaining excellent adhesion during printing. The 11.6x 7.6x 6.5 inch print size provides ample room for a variety of projects, from educational models to creative prototypes. What sets this printer apart is its focus on accessibility and performance. The swappable extruder system allows for hassle-free maintenance, ensuring continuous productivity. Its quiet operation and streamlined design make it an excellent choice for home and classroom use, especially for beginners and educators seeking to introduce students to 3D printing. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is also optimized for speed, making it one of the top desktop 3D printers of 2025. Its compatibility with MakerBot's ecosystem, including design software and cloud connectivity, adds convenience and enhances the overall user experience. If you're looking for a dependable, high-quality printer for everyday use, the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit delivers on all fronts. With its intuitive features and robust design, it's a standout choice for anyone entering the world of 3D printing or seeking a reliable machine for creative projects.